right, good morning, traders. Shit out of here right now. CEI getting another little push up. Shrink this list here, get that out of here. GBR just had a little pop. Go, I'm not worried about that. DATS still popping. Nah, I don't like that. PALT. Let's throw that on watch. DLTR, that's a lot higher price than I want to deal with. Alrighty then. Nothing there. Boy, that thing got a crazy little pop. Snow M. I'm actually want to look at, what was that? INM. Let's see, what was their PR? They don't have any PR. They got rejected at the 50-day. PLTA. Just making a bullish engulfing candle here. I'm gonna go. Oh shit, I'm buying right at the high of the day. I did not realize I was doing that. I don't know why I did not realize I was doing that. Well, it is, I at the top of the consolidation. I'm not really happy about that, but let's see if it can hold up and go. What do I got? 713. This is extremely low float, so this thing could dump. I jumped the gun on this one. We'll give it a second here. We got a little bit of a double top at 710. We want this to stay above the 10-day and basically stay above 7 on this candle. Good morning, Ruben. Good morning, Lori. Boy, that was a rookie entry where I bought this at. That was a really bad entry. We are holding up 7 though. I may start pushing here. Getting a little buy and pushing it off there, so we're not immediately dropping yet. Can push over that top. What's that top? Starting to 712. Testing 7 support again. A little bit all over the place at the moment. Still holding 7. See a lot of selling at 710. They just got taken out. Oh, here we go. Got a minute left on this candle. If it can close above 710, be a pretty strong close. Got to hold 7, 15 seconds. Looks like we're starts dumping right here before we close. If it doesn't hold 7, that's not going to be good. Let's see. Got 2 seconds. Get back above 7. And don't like the way that opened. This needs to push up immediately. Good morning, Lightning Rick. If this candle can push over the top at 7, what is it? Yeah, 710. We've not had a candle close over 710, but that would be a bullish engulfing candle. And we could see a breakout. Another leg up. Come on. You know you want it. You're so close. Keep testing that 710. Here we go. Starting to get some push in here. Still not enough. And we don't want to see it close like that with that little upside down red. We want this candle to close green. So what's the SPY doing? Make sure it's 7 starting to act as resistance. That is not a good thing. Got 50 seconds on this candle to close. Come on, can you push back over 7 in this last little bit? That was not a pretty candle. This is very close to dropping. If it does not push up on this candle, if we start pushing down any more than this is going to be over with. Got the VWAP. Got the VWAP there. That maybe could hold up and we could see it kind of curl back up. But it's starting to lean over. In the 15-minute, we may be making a bit of a flag. Looks like it's may dump here, but if it holds above 665, it can still break out. Ugh, I don't like how that's curling. If this 661 area doesn't hold up, I'm getting out. $624. could be possibly about to dump. So more than likely it's going to try to dump. 650's last little area to try to hold. INM, that looks like a possible play, maybe. Let's see there's 15-minute candles. Yeah, that's an ugly 15-minute candle. If it can push up quite a bit and get back above VWAP, it'd be alright, but I don't know if it's going to be able to do that. It looks very ugly. But if this is the start of a trend line, could see a bounce right here back over 7. Put stop loss in real quick, right under 650. Ooh, it looks like it's, yeah, I was about to say I got stopped out there. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Of course, this is coming back up. Anyway, this was a bad trade in the first place. I got in too high. Should have waited for a pullback. So, got my head together now. Let's get in here and let's try to make some money. See what we got. Now, SPY's rebounding, so there should be some plays somewhere. PLT. Don't want to try you again. So MBIMI. NCNA. There's a 200 fast track designation. Let's see that earlier. We'll put that up there. UVI, nothing there. God. Ugly market. A lot of money still sitting on the sidelines. A nice little uptrend there. This is a top gainer right now, so I'm going to keep an eye on this. Was it up 32%? Yeah, it's not even that much. Up that much. A lot of resistance at 315. Got to break 315. Oh, there we go. Hop it in here. Where'd I get filled at? 317. A little higher than I like, but that's okay. Looks like it's going to start trying to push. Oof. Wow. A lot of selling at 320 we got to get through. Well, we broke pre-market highs. Got this nice uptrend. We have all the EMAs right below us right now, so we got a lot of support right below. Where's the 200 day? 200 days at 352, so that'll be my first price target if it can get up there. See, JCS, what'd you do? You had a little... What am I looking at here? What is going on with JCS's chart? 581. Now all these upper wicks are a little bit of a concern. There's a lot of pressure through here. A lot of selling pressure. CEI possibly could be a play. It's losing volume, but if it breaks that downtrend, it could pop. Trying to break it now. PALT could be another possible play. Could be a possible play still. It hasn't given up yet. Riding right up this uptrend. Re-break a 7. We could see that start moving. INM looks done. Oh shit, let's see. What did this just get? Okay. Just making sure it wasn't an offering or anything. We don't want to see an offering out of nowhere. There it goes. Come on, push back over at 315. Get up there. That PLT is starting to come back up now. I wonder if I got enough to get any of this. Nope, I'm out of funds. Unless that was to get rid of JCS, which is really freaking me out with this damn chart pattern changing. I'm not sure what's going on there, but... CI getting rejected. The ATS still running up to $16. What a nice move on that. PLAT starting to push back up. Might get a breakout here. Yep. And it just got halted. Oh, that drives me nuts. Oh, it faked me out. It faked me out. So anybody who caught PALT, and good job. That was the move I was looking for back here, a leg up, and of course it just gave out. Just for a little bit. Just enough to stop me out of it, make me want to hop out. Dirty, dirty stock. Nice, Sicilian. Good job, buddy. So more than likely it's probably just a 5-minute halt. But the buying that started coming in, this may start ripping. And that may take volume away from NCNA. Thing's moving really slow because that a little bit higher float. See, when did this get halted? So you got about 3 minutes left. Now you're gonna start cracking, and the SPY's dropping. This is probably gonna start cracking. I was trying to hold 3. God, I'm afraid to put a stop loss in now. Screw it, I'm gonna put it in. Alright, so we'll let that ride for a second. We're getting close to that halt being over with. CEI still in this consolidation triangle. A little bit longer for it breaks out. Alright, so PALT should be about to get unhalted. Oh, yep, right as I pushed over. Nice gap up. And looks like it's going to keep running here. See if it can break 8. 8 is going to be strong resistance. I mean, this is the highest this has been already, so. It could stop at 8. But if it breaks 8, it's going to keep running. Looks like it may try to break it here. Struggling a little bit. If it doesn't break it here, if it doesn't break 8 soon, it's going to have a pullback. There it is. Nope. Ooh, I thought that was it. I thought it was going to break there. There you go. There you go. Very nice. Just a little quick pop, so that momentum is... Buying volume starting to slow down, so like maybe... starts holding 8 as support. It's gonna be off. Yep, there it goes. Struggling with that 815 area. So it's got to break that if it's going to continue. But very nice pop. Very nice gap up. Very nice push out of the halt. This is looking beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful play. Wish I was in it. Looks like NCNA may crack on me. PALT is probably going to take all the attention now. Unless it starts dumping, but it's right here close to the 10-day, so it could have another push up. If it can break that 815. Oh, you're still trying to hold that trend line. Okay. I'll give you a shot. Give you the shot, NCNA. NCNA may be a slower play. It may take all day for it to move. I may end up holding it. Well, let's hear them gains. Well, what did everybody who played PALT? What's your gains looking like? Are you still in it? Are you locked out? It's definitely looking like it's gonna have a pullback now. Couldn't hold that 8. I got a little doji star. I want to live vicariously for those who was able to nail this play. Still testing $8 support. It's all over the place. No telling if it can hold here. Should be able to keep going, but it's really, really testing that $8 area hard. Looking to see if this is going to bounce here. If it is, I want to add. Oh, I can only add 10. That's sad. Alright, well, whatever. That bring my average down. 316 didn't bring it down much. Damn, PALT still holding. Looks like since it held $8, it may try to go. NCNAN's got to start popping back up, like right now. Market's a little mixed bag today. SPY may be done rebounding. I don't know. That's a little ugly on the SPY. There you go on PALT. Did it just push up to that? Yeah, it did. Pushed up to 820. It's struggling to push much more over 8 though. That is a little concerning. You look at the 15. You draw my lines, maybe something like that. I want to see a nice bounce off of this trend line here. I always come back. What do you think? What do you think is gonna happen? You think I'm not gonna come back? You know, it happens to be my channel, so don't know where I would be, but all right. Trying to rebound here. There we go. Nice bounce off of 3 so far. Oh, PALT ripping more. There you go. If anybody's still in this, man, you are killing it today. Got it go. Continuing to push. Trying to hold 850 as support. Yeah, there it goes. Going to test 875. I don't even know what you're saying right now. That sentence was quite incoherent. Boom. So of course it's going to slow down at 9. 9's going to be probably pretty strong. It's definitely going to be strong resistance at this time. This thing's already ripped from $5 to $9. We are starting to curl up in this little triangle. Maybe see a possible breakout. But like I said, this one's just going to be a slow mover, a little bit higher float. It goes, starting to test 9. See if it can break 9 here. Yeah, there it goes. Breaking through 9, pushing for a new high at 910. How much more has this thing got left in it? Now, around the 9... It's around 950, 975 if this is able to continue to push. Which will rely on it holding up $9 right now as support. 950, 975. Those are going to be very tough, and then $10 is going to be extremely tough. Where's the VIXY at? VIXY down in that 230, 220, 230 area. Just going sideways at the moment because the SPY is pretty much going sideways. It looks like this may crack here. It's not enough buying volume coming in this. Oh, I don't even want to hear what Pal's got to say. It's going to be ridiculous. It's going to be a bunch of nonsense. Make my brain hurt. Yeah, this is looking very close to cracking. I'm about to have to hop out here. Yeah, I'm cracking out of that trend line. So that's done. Oh boy. It's a rough start to this week for me. The SPY's rebounding too, so it's not the SPY pulling it down. Just a breakdown in pattern. It's probably going to push right back up here, just like the other play. And now that I'm out of it, probably rip. Wow, you're really trying to chop me down today, huh? Really going at it, tool worker. I ain't got time for your nonsense. See there? Talking all that nonsense. Sam's about to come in here and set you straight. Yeah. talking trash. Sam will go over and bite them little nuts off you got. I'm still trying to hold up a little bit. Oh, and if you knew anything about me and my content, you would know that I'm not sharing my expertise. I'm sharing my experience. I never said I was $1 million trader. I never said I was some great guru. All I've said continuously is I'm just a guy who likes to trade stocks and crypto. So you're not hurting my feelings any, bud. Good morning, Donnell. Now, it looks like it may try to break 9 here again. Alright, let me see what's going on TradingView. I'm not even going to even address the troll today. He's a silly boy. Silly boy. For some reason, he's got to try to pick on me. Good morning, Jay Kratz. I just want to say, I put a picture of me walking a cat on a leash in my video last night. So if you really think that you're actually doing anything by trying to discredit me, let me repeat that again. I had a picture of me walking a cat. So your miserable little sad punches you keep trying to throw. You can't hurt my feelings. It's fun. It's fun stuff, man. It's nice try, tool workers. A nice try. Come in here talking all your nonsense. So real quick, let's check out Bitcoin. See what the crypto market is doing today so far. I'm seeing a little bit of green. Bitcoin, so that's still holding up, so that's all good. Now let's check out these indexes. Dollar is still strengthening. Dollar pushing up to this previous resistance at that 994.20, so that probably means, yep, gold and silver are down. Gold down to 17.26. Silver down to 21.40. Yeah, interesting. Oil. $76.50. I don't know, 7. Okay, so the high is that it? Okay, so 76.50 is the resistance. And we got like 75.56 around there. Looks like I'm gonna be going gold and silver shopping. So we are getting a little bounce on the Dow Jones, but still in this downtrend there as well. Okay. Oh, yep. Did break 9. Still running. Anybody still holding PALT? Yeah, it's SNCA cracking down some more, so no surprise there. Hey, thank you, Matthew Lim. Welcome to the channel. I don't think I've seen you on here before, but appreciate that. I'm glad you have come and checked us out here. We are growing as fast as we can grow. We've even grown so much that we've got haters. Haters who are here every single day religiously. Like I'm their cult leader. Must be the hair floof, man. I don't know. This hair floof, this floof must just attract guys with, penis envy. Ooh, CEI just exploded too. Missed that. Yeah, breaking out of that downtrend. Nice rip on CEI. Nasty. I did not get PALT. Well, I did get in there, but I got shook out on this candle. I got too high of an entry. I thought we were going to get this move right here out of this consolidation, so jumped in a little higher than I would have liked, and then it started cracking VWAP there, so I got out, and of course explodes right after. Looks like this may try to break over 950 here. If this keeps pushing up and tests 950, this may still go. Like I said, 950 is going to be tough than 970. Well, never mind. 950. Yeah, it is going to hold up. That's some resistance. But it is trying to push. If it gets a little bit more buy-in. No, starting to doji out there at 950. This candle's fixing to close, so it needs to get over 950 before this candle closes. If not, it's going to doji and we'll probably have a pullback there. Yeah, one life. That's the thing. I missed it too, getting stopped out there. It's how it is. It goes like that sometimes, and it's annoying. But you just gotta go on about your day and your trading, and look for other plays. This won't be the only low float stock that rips like this in the world. Even if you got in, you wouldn't have held through the FOMO mode. Well, that's what I was holding for. But as soon as it started cracking VWAP and started closing under VWAP, I was like, I don't want to risk much more. Oh, good. Everybody except for Sicilian today nailed PA or did not get in PALT. So good job, Sicilian, so far for killing PALT. Great job, buddy. And of course, you're starting to curl back up. If it starts getting back above the trend line and like 310, this could still rip. SPY still slowly climbing. Let's read some of this news. Let's see, FTC weighs new online privacy rules that could impose significant new obligations on businesses across the economy related to how they handle consumer data. That's interesting. White House advisor Bearstein says U.S. default is not an option. Well, you only got a couple of days. You better figure it out. FDA leans toward authorizing Moderna booster at half dose. You'll have to explain that one to me. Yeah, of course, the Democrats are working so hard. Blah, blah, blah. SEC proposes hedge funds, pensions disclose votes on CEO pay. You got PALT and CEI. Very nice. Very nice, Sicilian. Good job, buddy. Well, that makes my day. That makes me happy that somebody in the chat nailed this play. It's still ripping. And you nailed CEI too, so great job there, man. I hope you made some decent profits. But I am out of funds. Yeah, I know. I've seen they want inflow and outflow transaction on private bank accounts. Yeah, it's whatever happens at the end of this week is going to be crazy. I mean, the feds default, or not the feds, but if the government defaults, not good. Because if the government defaults and the U.S. currency is only backed by the government's word, well, then their word is no longer worth anything because they can't pay their debts. So, in fact, we're seeing the fact we're seeing that as a possibility. That could crash the U.S. dollar pretty hard. The U.S. dollar keeps strengthening, but it's a false strengthening. So we'll see what they do this week. If they don't come to any type of agreement, the government will shut down till December and they default. So they're trying to raise the debt ceiling, which, like I've said before, is just nonsense. But what are you talking about? One life, a capitalist does not like government. If you've been saying screw the government since you were 16, you should be a capitalist. This looks like it may try to break 10 here. If it breaks 10 and goes on another run, it'll probably get halted again. This would be quite a rip. There it goes. Yep. Look at it go. And halted. Called that right in the second. And now you're 18. Nice, Daniel B. Yeah, FOMO, people jumping in there. Short squeeze to 60. Oh, yeah. I don't. They may have an agreement, but their agreement's not going to do anything. We're too far in the hole now. Alright, guys, I'm going to take a quick little break here. If you guys have any questions, suggestions, or ideas, go ahead and get those in. And I will be right back to answer any of those or whatnot. And then I'm going to call it a day. So be right back. Oh, and Lauren, your military stock review will be put up right after this. I could get a real job, working a 9 to 5. You sound like a very smart entrepreneur. What millionaire tells people to go get a job? You're full of shit. You ain't got no millions, boy.
Probably some 13-year-old sitting at home. All right, be right back, guys.
All right, guys, I gotta go. I got a phone call that I have to take here. So I will be. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, like I said, I gotta go. I'm not the tool workers. Yeah, you got to be like a 12-year-old. You definitely have a weird look on the world to be a millionaire. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna take off. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. Stay safe out there. Until next time.